Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how you can go about adding a profile to your Nintendo Switch. Perhaps you have a friend or a family who wants to add a profile, or maybe you just want another profile on your Switch. You can do this by scrolling down and going over to where it says System Settings and selecting that. And then scroll down to the area that says Users, and then go over and down to the place that says Add User and select that. And if you want, you can import user data from another console if that's what you're looking to do, or you can just create a new user by selecting the first option. And then you can select an icon for this user's profile. You can select one of the ones that's here on the page, or you can click more options to find more characters to choose from. So let's just see what we have here. And you can find exactly the one that you're looking for. I'm going to pick Kirby. And I'm going to change the background color to, let's go with a purple, and then click OK. And then you can enter a nickname for this user in this area. We'll call this person John, and then we'll select OK. And it says this user will be added to the console, so I'm going to click OK. And you can also link a Nintendo account at this point. With a linked account, you can access online play, friend features, as well as the Nintendo eShop and more. So you can either link a Nintendo account or click later. And now in my instance, I have a third user profile that is on my Nintendo Switch. So when I go back to the home page, as you can see right at the top, I now have 3 user profiles linked to my Nintendo Switch. So those are the steps you go about adding a user profile for a friend or family member, or perhaps you're just looking to add another profile for yourself on your Nintendo Switch. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.